Hello, welcome. I'm Mel James. I'm here at the Keratin 10 salon. I'm here to demonstrate some products for you. We'll first begin with the hair. We're going to shampoo twice. Now this is particularly important if you've been regularly going to parties or festivals or whatever the time of the year it is. But I always like to begin with a dry shampoo to begin with. So first of all, we've just brushed the hair through, and what I'm now going to do is I'm going to take a couple of squirts of the shampoo, and I'm just going to distribute this just work this through my hands just a little bit, and just apply a small amount just through the root area where you would apply those. And I'm just going to distribute this just through, and I'm just going to this improves blood flow and just removes any grease or oil or dirt that's built up. And I'm using fairly warm water here. Again, you need a little bit of warmth just to sort of activate the detergent and make sure that it removes all the grease and the dirt. And it's really important just to squeeze off any excess water there. So again, a liberal amount of shampoo there. Just again, work it evenly through the hands and just gently distribute evenly all the way around. And then just nice effleurage and petrissage sort of movements with the hand, working all the way around, small circular movements for that refreshing finish. And again, I'm going to use same warm water, not too hot, not too cold, again, you want to have a fairly hot rinse because it pulls any grease and oils from the hair. But as I say, the great thing about Keratin 10 is that when we're cleansing hair, what we're actually doing is the keratin is the natural protein lost, usually through chemical processing or excessive heat damage that's occurred during using straightening, anything like that. So keratin is being actually replaced back into the hair. Such a great product. What I'll do now is I'm just going to do a nice warm rinse just to make sure there's no soap suds there. This can affect the outcome of the dry. It's better to put the time in now whilst you're washing and rinsing things out, as opposed to get to the drying stage and then realise that should have spent maybe 30 seconds longer just rinsing suds out. I'm just squeezing out any excess water there. Just tease the hair out a little bit. Again, you can see already that even though there's no conditioner on this hair, quite extensively there's quite a bit of colour on the hair. You can already see that there's not too many knots there at all. And this is before we conditioned. So again, it's quite long hair, so I'm going to use, there's one pump from the litre, there's two. I'm probably going to use 3 to 4 overall. And then I'm going to start on the mid-lengths and ends. I'm just going to take a comb and just comb this through. You can see I'm not even putting too much pressure on this, and the product's already doing the hard work for me. Shaking the hair just to loosen it up a little bit and sort of reveal any potential areas where we may need to perhaps later put some leave-in cream or a bit more of the heat protector. Now, I'm going to use quite a warm rinse to begin with, and then I'm going to finish off with a very tepid rinse. And now for that slightly cooler rinse, just to finish off. Again, what I'm doing is I'm just gently squeezing any excess water out of the hair, and then just a lovely little shake. This helps to sort of move the water to the ends. And again, when you come to towel dry, you'll find that the hair's 50% sort of dried already.